Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly.
with Virtuoso Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of Behind the Drywall.
So today, we're back at a project that, if you've been following along, we're in central San Antonio and we're working on an accessory dwelling unit. And there's work going on next door, which is not us. So if you hear a little hammering, that's what's going on. We're in the middle of a neighborhood. So anyway, but today we're going to do a walkthrough, and we've got framing that's happening right now. So where are we on the framing with this
We
ADU?
are probably about 2 to 3 days left of framing. So what we have done now really is the first floor. There's not really a second floor. I mean, there is, but it's storage. It's not actually livable space. So the first floor is framed, and right now we're standing in the living room.
The living room,
This area.
Yes. And then across from the living right here is the kitchen. So it's a nice open floor plan. And this is what?
This is actually the island. This is power for the island, and cabinets will be wrapping around all the way, this whole section right here.
Okay, I've got a question.
I've got an answer.
I'm sure you do.
May not be the right one, but.
What's this bracing for right now?
So you'll see on all houses when they're framed, you'll see all these kind of cross braces, and this is just to hold everything in place until the house is completely framed, because once it's completely framed, the framing really holds everything in place. It's just temporary, so they're just up for now, and we just have to be careful not to run into them and bump our heads.
Okay.
So
yeah.
purely
so you'll start to see those are kind of in a
No,
lot
this is
of
part.
different
This is part of the
areas.
design. It's the industrial look.
Oh. All right. So if we walk back this way, then this is a work area.
Yeah, this will be
Workspace.
the owner's kind of little desk workstation area. A back door right here to a little patio, and they're going to eventually put some gardens right there, and right there. And then really what we have here, right over here, I will sneak in. There's actually stairs that are going to be going above us right here from the room on this side. So this is a laundry room. We'll have a stackable washer dryer, and this whole section right here will be storage. And we already have some of the plumbing in place, of course, already. So this is the laundry room.
Yeah, what I love about the laundry room is that they picked these really cool tiles. So it's not, it's a manufactured tile, and they're coming in the traditional 12 by 24, but that's going to go all over the floor, and I'm excited to see how that
it'll be cool.
is going to look. It's a stone look, and that is going to look really, really cool. It's just a different material. It's great for wet areas. It's great for any area, especially in an ADU situation. So this way is where the bedroom,
The master bedroom is going to be right here.
in the bathroom. Okay, I'm going to sneak through these.
Yeah, be careful.
Things.
Don't hurt yourself.
Okay, so right now, do the limbo.
Yeah.
So right in here is the main bedroom space, and then is that a big window?
This will be a window.
Okay.
It doesn't go all the way down. The framers, are not here, so they have to frame this in for a very large window right here. And then as you walk in this direction, this is the master bathroom, or the bathroom. And we designed it to where we have a very nice large shower that's easy access. There'll be grab bars. You have a large vanity with a tower storage. So there's plenty of room to get around as the owner ages.
So there's a lot going on. We've got a lot more framing to do, as you can see, but it's a beautiful day.
Yeah.
For me, it's a little
Cold.
cooler, but I get cold really easy. He's loving every minute of it.
Colder the
Blue
better.
skies, so we've got a good day to complete the framing. And that's it for today. So maybe you can see us. That's framing. So
Slide this way.
please follow us along. Next month we'll likely be right back here. These the framing will be
Framing
done.
will be done. There'll probably be a roof on. We'll probably have electrical and plumbing already done and getting ready to close up the walls.
Yeah. So a lot happening on this ADU. So we hope you enjoyed what you've seen so far with this project, and keep following along because it's really getting hot and heavy on this one. So we'll see you next time on Behind the Drywall.
Yep, thanks.
Bye.